好，各位同學睇下 DSE Physics Paper 2 E3 Energy and Use of Energy 2017年嘅第6條啦。The figure shows a wind turbine 啦。Which of following statements explain why the wind turbine is not 100 efficient? Not 100 efficient in converting the kinetic energy of the wind to electrical energy。OK 係啦，嗱呢度咧就要留意下條問題問緊啲乜嘢嚇，今次要小心啲睇清楚啲字眼係問緊係個 wind turbine not 100% efficient。OK 好，咁睇下第一句啲mechanical energy losses in the moving parts。OK 應該佢嗰度個 wind turbine 轉嘅時候，咁就應該係有一啲嘅 mechanical 嘅 energy loss 啦。咁呢個都係好合理正常嘅。OK 咁就係即係嗰啲 wind 吹過嘅時候，咁呢部嘢轉㗎嘛，轉嘅時候中間梗係會有一啲嘅 energy loss 嘅，係咪？咁所以呢一個都係啱㗎啦，係解釋嚟嘅其中。跟住啦，第二呢個啦 ，wind does not stop completely after passing through the rotor。OK， 啲風咧唔會完全停低啊。OK， 唔會完全停低passing through the rotor 穿過呢一個線葉佢個轉動嘅時候，咁嗱呢一個咧就有啲爭議啦個爭議係在於乜嘢咧？咁又佢穿過冇唔係全部停低咁即係佢冇 lost 曬所有嘅 KE 俾個rotor 啫嘛，即係冇俾個 wind turbine 啫嘛。咁咪但係佢都係即係佢有幾多 KE 咪轉到幾多electrical energy 咯，係嘛？咁唔係所有嘅 KE 攞晒去轉咁解啫嘛，係嘛？有啲人可能係咁諗。咁但係啦我哋睇翻條問題點解話要專登留意一下咧？咁就係因為佢依度講緊嘅咧就係話係個 wind turbine not 100% efficient。嗱呢個佢唔係問個 wind turbine 嘅 efficiency 即係 wind turbine efficiency 我就講緊嗰個 wind turbine 呢部機器轉嘅時候佢嗰個效能高唔高啦咁但係依家佢就話係由個 KE of the wind，OK， 吹過去嗰陣時啲 wind 嘅 KE，OK， 跟住要轉變成 electrical energy 嘅時候，OK 係呢個 electrical energy 係俾啲符號啫，electrical energy 嘅時候 ，OK， 咁佢中間唔係100% 嘅 efficient 嘅轉換點解唔係100%？咁我呢度講緊嘅就係 KE of the wind， 即係話我係包含晒所有嘅 KE of the wind， 係個 wind 嘅所有 KE 係KE of the wind 係 wind 嘅所有 KE 轉成 electrical energy， 點解唔係100% efficient？OK？咁所以我包含住嘅就係本身已經我哋講咗個你當以一條 equation 去諗嘅就係已經包含咗係 wind 嘅啲風嘅所有嘅 KE，OK， 而轉做 EPE 轉做呢個 electrical energy 啦，OK， 轉做 electrical energy， 咁點解唔係100% 變晒 electrical energy？ 咁我就考慮翻嘅中間就走咗啲乜嘢啦？就係中間頭先有提嘅轉咗 electrical energy 之外咧，仲有一啲咧就係 loss 嚟嘅 ，loss 係 as 呢個 mechanical energy 嘅 ，OK， 仲有啲乜嘢啊？仲有嘅原來就係我哋有一啲 KE 就係冇轉到去嘅，係咪？KE of wind leaving 啦，咁就所以啦，佢呢度中間唔係100%，就係因為有一啲佢係冇 loss 到俾佢咯，去轉做 electrical energy 啦，OK，咁所以呢一句嘅描述咧，咁就係話佢唔啱嘅，does not stop completely 唔係 sorry 係話佢啱嘅 ，OK， 佢係啱嘅，因為佢冇完全停低，咁所以佢係 not 100% efficient 咯。OK， 好，咁跟住第三句 The direction of wind changes irregularly。OK， 咁嗰啲風向不斷喺不規則咁樣去改變。OK， 咁就亦都係令到佢 not 100% efficient 啦，因為佢有一啲唔係完全 normally 咁吹過去。OK， 令到轉動嗰個嘅 rotor 啦。OK， 咁所以呢個亦都係其中解釋。咁所以1、2、3都係解釋嚟嘅，答案咧就係多啦。